Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the another topic, business and environment protection. Environment protection means freeing the environment from the air pollution, water pollution and noise pollution. Every being living on the earth require clear environment. Therefore, protection of environment is absolutely required. According to the Environment Protection Act 1986, environmental protection is the fundamental duty of every citizen of the country to protect and improve the natural environment, including the forest, lake, river, wildlife, to have the compensation of living creature. This definition implies the environmental protection focus on the public safety from environmental danger caused by the natural and human process due to the ignorance, accident, and mismanagement of design of the product, service produced or provided by the businesses. Environmental dangers can lead to pollution, which means the presence or introductions of harmful substance that has hazard or poisonous effect on the environment. Now the threat to environment from business. The important question is that why environment protect is being linked with business. It is appeared to absolutely reasonable to link environment protection with business because the business is free contribute to the pollute environment. From the point of view environment pollution, there are three type of business unit doing the damage. Some spread excessive smoke, other pollute water, and some spread noise pollution. Moreover, there are some business unit which spread pollution of more than one type simultaneously. Therefore, there is no hesitation in saying that environment face a threat from business. Environmental protection is important if not considered seriously lead to excessive use of land, water and other natural resources causing life-threatening risk and hazard. Next, causes of pollution. Pollution can be defined as the introduction of substance or energy into the environmental causes hazard to human health and harm the living resources and ecological system, damage to structure and enmity or interference with legitimate uses of the environment. Economists define pollution as the cost of the lost quality of the environment. It means that the society need to be incurred additional cost for the polluted environment to return to its natural environment. There are various causes of pollution that is resulted of ignorance and mismanagement by the business as the attempt to reduce the cost of waste management and earn profit. Type of business pollutions. First, air pollution. Some business unit make use of coal smoke produced by coal polluted the air. Similarly, some unit use chemical which produce poisonous gases. They are highly dangerous for all the living being. Water pollutions. Business unit generally polluted water in two way: by releasing high toxic thing in the water of rivers. Secondly, by allowing the dirty waste laden water into the clear river water. Animals have been seen dying by drinking this type of water. Surely such deaths are caused by the highly objectionable behavior of the business people. Noise pollutions. Some factor produce a lot of noise. People living in a noise polluted area fall victim of many diseases like deafness, violent behavior, mental disorder. Land pollutions. Dumping of toxic wastage on land cause the land pollution. It damage the quality of land, making the unfit for agriculture and plantation. And need for pollution control. Air, water, land are such precious environment resources in the absence of which life on the earth is not possible. For the welfare of the mankind, it is necessary to check them for the getting the polluted. To control the pollution, reduction of health hazard. Nowadays, the uninterrupted increase taking place, cancer, disease related to heart and lungs. Pollution is the main causes. Pollution control will not only decrease the diseases but also provide the convenience way of leading the health life. And the poisonous gas have an adverse effect on the health of factory workers. The factory owner held liable for the compensation of their losses through the installation of pollution control equipment in the factory. They can escape their liabilities. Nowadays, people are more conscious about the quality of environment. A better image of business which participate in the pollution control gets set up in the society. Pollution control is necessary for the point of view of the causes. A clear visibility, cleanliness, building better quality of life, ability of natural product in pure form, etc. Thank you.